Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to pay your Atomic Card using Instapay. So make sure to watch until the end. If this video will help you, please leave a like. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here's how to do it. First, open your Atome app and go to the Bills tab and tap Pay Now under your Atomic Card. For the payment method, choose Bank Transfer via Instapay. The app will show you the Atomic Card payment details and access the list of supported banks below, so you know which bank you will be using. Alright, so copy those details and open your bank app or e-wallet that supports Instapay like GCash. Just select the bank and input the details. Tap send and it will automatically send via Instapay network. It will automatically use the Instapay network as long as the bank or e-wallet supports Instapay. So if everyone was confused, you don't have to manually select Instapay. The system detects it and processes the transfer instantly with a small Instapay fee. So lastly, go back to the Atome app and confirm the payment was made. Payment confirmation might take a few minutes, but once done, your Atomic Card balance will be updated. So that's it. That's how you pay your Atomic Card using Instapay. Easy, quick, and convenient. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.